Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into New Kingston. We are currently on Upper Waterloo Road, then we're going to go on to Waterloo Road and then on to Trafalgar Road, and that will take us into New Kingston. So we just came off Shortwood Road, so we're heading from Shortwood Road on Upper Waterloo Road towards Waterloo Road. And this section of Waterloo Road is mostly residential, a lot of homes, but as we get further down, as we go across the bridge, you're going to see a lot more commercial buildings. So if we turn left here, we go into the Drumblair area, and we're going over this bridge. This is a very popular gully, but for some reason the name keeps slipping me. If anybody remembers the name of that gully, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, on the right is the Ligor Business Center, very popular place. And then the most popular place on Upper Waterloo Road is Mega Mart, which we're passing on the right. And then this is a new pharmacy, this building straight ahead where you see Fontana Pharmacy. That structure was built recently. There's a Fontana Pharmacy, a Starbucks, and a Wendy's over there. Okay, so at this intersection now, this is where Upper Waterloo Road goes into Waterloo Road. So we're going to go straight across and go from Upper Waterloo Road to Waterloo Road. If we turn left, we take West King's House up to the back gate of King's House. Turn right, we take West King's House Road down to Constant Spring Road. So on the right, coming up now where you see the white wall, that's the Terra Nova Hotel. And they were recently in the news because they are building a structure. Probably that's why that huge crane is up back there. Yeah, where you see the crane, they were building some apartments, and they collected money from persons to purchase the apartments, and then they decided, the Terra Nova persons decided they weren't going to build the apartments anymore. They were going to use the structure as a hotel, so they gave the persons back their money. It was all over the news. Okay, so we are on Waterloo Road now. Okay, so on the right, on the left is Devon House, which is a major tourist attraction. Very popular. That's where the Devon House ice cream brand started. But Devon House is a great house from back in the days of slavery, and it's now a tourist attraction where you can take tours, but they have a very large lawn space, and it's well maintained, I must say. I have a lot of restaurants and bars over there. Very, very nice over there. Okay, on the right, where that white building is, that's a plaza going up, and they're going to have a Burger King location over there. Now, if we turn left here, we take Hope Road up to Ligonier, and if we go right, we take Hope Road down to Halfway Tree. But we're going straight across, and we are now on Trafalgar Road. So we were on Waterloo Road. When we went through the light, we now go on to Trafalgar Road. So we're now going into the New Kingston area. And New Kingston is a business district of Jamaica, a major business area. So you're going to find a lot of high-rise buildings. It's similar to the Wall Street in the US. So you're going to find a lot of high-rise buildings and those kind of things. And New Kingston has some of the most expensive rent in Jamaica. So if we turn left here, we go into the Trafalgar Park area that takes us to Arden Road. At this stoplight now, if we turned right, we would go on to Knutsford Boulevard, and that will take us into the heart of New Kingston, the business area. We have lots of videos up of driving through New Kingston, so you can check it out. So on the left now, we have, over here on the left now is the British High Commission, which is basically the British Embassy in Jamaica. On the right is a Spanish Port Hotel. And we have a lot of commercial buildings here. There's actually a supermarket where you see that white looking tent. And then if we were to take this road on the left, that's Musgrave Avenue, that will take us into the residential part of New Kingston. And if we turn right, we go on to Worthington Avenue, which will take us back down to Belmont Road and then on to Oxford Road. So at this intersection, if we turn left, we go on to Lady Musgrave Road. If we go straight, we also go on to Lady Musgrave Road. We're going to make a U-turn and go back on Trafalgar Road. So you can get a better look at, or a look from this side of Trafalgar Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Okay, this car is like moving at a tremendous speed. Why? It's a green light. Look to the right. That is not a police car. Or is it? Oh, green for the for the Jamaica Labour Party. So why must they drive like that? It's unbelievable. Why must they drive like that? You saw them literally run the red light. Unbelievable. The indiscipline on the roads. Oh boy. Alright guys.